Everybody watching the video, this is I don't know, and welcome to a very special episode. This is random games. So I'm just gonna play some random games on the home screen because I feel like it, and I have no other games to do. Phantom Forces, everyone's seen that. So let's go to my profile. Let's go to my. I am wearing this. I am currently wearing all of these. Okay, wait. I need to go to profile. Down here. And here. Okay, so here are some games. Not necessarily games I'd like to play. Wait, I have to go here. Sorry. Okay, so let's do this game. It's the Tokyo Ghoul demo.
On November 6th, get ready for peanuts.
Back. Let's play this game. Now this has no people on it, so it might not be that great, but I love Tokyo Ghoul, so I'm gonna play it. Gladly. I think it works very well. Oh, okay. This is cutscene. Oh, this is amazing! Too loud. Anyway, let's finish this game off. I think I did it. Will I go over here when I'm done? Okay, so that is actually literally the whole game so far. That's good. It's good. Now, the next game I'm going to be playing is Bird Simulator. This might be really weird, but I'm gonna be a bird. Whoa. Which bird should I be? Oh, I can only be this bird. Okay. How do I start? Enter. I want to be this bird. What do I do? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, so I have to click on a game. Okay, I am now a bird. Okay, so I can hold this to fly. Oh, I'm flying! Oh, I can glide. I can dive. Do I have to eat stuff? What are the... This is a dive. That's a strange... This game is decent. Okay. Well, this game is kind of strange.
Who are you talking to?
I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording right now. I'm playing random games. Dive.
Now you don't have to sit under the screen then.
Yeah, I know.
What are you gonna have, an hour?
Yeah, probably. Anyway, I'm gonna eat nuts because there's nuts in this tree. Hopefully. I am eating I don't understand this game, so I'm not gonna play it. Okay, what's another game? Really? 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 Okay, why don't I play this game? This game sounds fun. Let's launch the Apple console. Let's do this. Whoa! That was weird. What the heck? Oh, okay. Okay, I use this. I don't know what this game is. Hello? What? What? What's going on? This game is weird. I'm scared to turn the volume back up. No. Let's just, yep, no. No way. Why don't I do a nice little horror game? What's a nice horror game? Oh, this is a good horror game. Certainly sounds pretty good. Jeez. I understand. Oh my gosh. Alright, I need to turn this off. Shut up. Nobody likes you. Okay. Back to this. Full screen, please. Thank you. This is. I've never played this before. Or I might have played this before. Beep beep. Oh no, waiting in lobbies. This is my worst nightmare. Can I turn this on or something? There's a radio. But it's not being like a radio should be. Oh my gosh, there's a Freddy Fazbear here. Hello, Freddy Fazbear. You look like Doge. Yeah, choosing this one. Picking the map. What is that? I played the first one. Is this the exact same thing? I can hop. I'm a professional jumper. You can hear me spam keys. Okay. Can I? What actually gives music? What? You have to click all 8 pages and you submit to do so. The pages are left as usual. Okay, I am probably gonna be pretty good at this game. I'm gonna be good at not looking at him. Hello. This? Yeah, let's all cheer. Woo! So, there's a red thing. Wait, what's in here? This game is scary. Is this exactly like the first one? Because I've played stuff at Slender 1. What the heck? Okay. I'm good at spamming space. So I don't think I'm supposed to go over there. Hello, teddy bear. Go away. You know what? I'm gonna do this all day. Nope, not looking around. Not turning around. Nope. Not doing it. Not doing it. Did you leave yet? Okay. Okay. Detention, help me. I am doing the opposite of liking this game right now. Where's all the other people? Am I alone? There's some ketchup. I want ketchup. I love ketchup. What's this? It's a page. I got one. Why? Oh, hello everyone. I found you. Very nice to meet you all. I don't like. Where is it? Hide in the locker. I'm so scared. No. I'm just gonna stare at this wall the whole time. Never gonna look at anyone. Just gonna ram. Just gonna hug the wall. Ooh, button. I'm sorry, but I am. Why is everyone going over here now? Wait, this is the first place I went to. Everything is good. Doge, why? Why Doge? I just want to survive this. This game is scary. Hello, cups. Hello, more cups. There's a P on you. That's weird. And I was like, don't really see anything. What the heck? Well then, that was fun. Well, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!